What's up, guys? It's your boy Benedict, and then I'm now 8, and today I'm going to show you how to make 3 flags. So I'm just going to make USA, Japan, and India. Yeah. And thank you so much for 343 subscribers. I literally thanked that. And let's get into the video. First, we need to make Japan first, okay? Okay. Follow what I'm doing. And that's it. Now let's make India. Follow what I'm doing, guys. That's it. Now let's make USA. Okay. Sorry for the long wait. Okay, wait. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this, and then this, wait. Okay, this, and then this, then here, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you. Bye!